Hello everyone, I'm Keegan from Campus Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda CR-V. The 2019 Honda CR-V is a powerhouse of features and quality, reaching top of its class in everything from fuel economy, interior cargo space, and especially resale value. I'm here to show you why. The CR-V boasts a 1.5-liter turbocharged dual overhead cam engine producing 190 horsepower and 179 foot-pounds of torque, all coming in at 2,200 RPM, giving this vehicle a very impressive amount of get up and go. It's amazing that it's also able to achieve its 8-liter combined per 100 kilometers, as well as its 8.7 city mileage. With its class-leading 1,110 liters of interior cargo space with the back seats up and 2,146 liters with the back seats down, going on an adventure in the new CR-V has never been less complicated because your rear doors now open up to a full 90-degree angle, so it's never been easier to get items, children, and car seats in and out of this vehicle. I'm Keegan Riley from Campus Honda in beautiful Victoria, British Columbia, 506 Finlayson Street. Stop on by, we'd love to take care of you.